Hello everyone, I'm Johan Vincent Sepe. Today I am going to look around our house to find objects that has long vowel A sound. For example, my face. It's F-A-C-E. Face. Can you hear it? The long vowel A sound is just the letter's name. A, like that one. And another example, this table. Can't you hear it? Table has long vowel A too. It's table. Can't you hear it? T-A-B-L-E. This time we're gonna check my toy, okay? Let's go to my toy section. Here is my toy and school supply closet. I also have my book here. I'm gonna pick up a crayon. It has the long vowel A. C-R-A-Y-O-N. Crayon. And even the clay. Can you hear it? Clay is C-L-A-Y. It has long vowel A. Next, the maze. It has a long vowel A. Can't you hear it? Maze. M-A-Z-E. Then the paint. It has the long vowel A. P-A-I-N-T. Can you hear it? Paint. I also have here my fruit and vegetable toy. Tray. It has TR. It has a long vowel A. It's C-R-A-Y. There's a big and small tray. And even potato. Can't you hear it? P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Next, I have tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Can't you hear it? Tomato. I also have here train. Toy tray. Here's T-R-A-I-N. Train. Next, I found paper. It's P-A-P-E-R. Paper. Can't you hear it? Paper. And even tape. T-A-P-E. Tape. Can't you hear it? Now let's go to the kitchen. Let's check what we can find there. Oh, I found something here that has a long vowel A. Plate. Can't you hear it? P-L-A-T-E. Plate. I also found apron. It has long vowel A too. A-P-R-O-N. Apron. Let's check out the other classics too. Come on. Oh, I found a cape here. It's C-A-P-E. Cape. Can't you hear it? Cape. Next, I have shoelaces. See? Shoelaces. This part right here. L-A-C-E-S. Shoelace. It has one vowel A. go here at the receiving area. Mommy put lots of things here. First cane. It's C-A-N-E. Cane. Then painting. P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G. Painting. Then a vase. V-A-S-E. I also have acorn. A-C-O-R-N. Acorn. Lastly, let's go outside. This is the last thing that is in our house that has the long vowel A. It's the gate. Here's how to spell gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. Can't you hear it? Gate. Thank you for watching. Hope you had fun finding the long vowel A sound items in our house. Bye.